In this video, I will break down the top 7 best dash cams this year. I put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, whether it's price, performance or quality. Now, let's get started. The best dash cam for its size is the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Garmin's latest dash cam model, the 67W, surpasses its already impressive predecessor, the 66W, with added connected features that make it an enticing package. Despite being one of the smallest dash cams we have tested, it boasts a top quality sensor that captures clear 2K footage, aided by an HDR function that enhances footage in challenging weather conditions. Its easy setup and user-friendly smartphone app make it a step above the 66W, with the added ability to automatically upload saved clips to Garmin's cloud when connected to a trusted Wi-Fi network. However, it's important to note that utilizing some of its features, such as remote checking on a parked car from anywhere in the world, will require a storage plan and hardwiring the camera into your vehicle's power source. Additionally, it must be connected to a Wi-Fi network, which may require investing in a mobile hotspot. Nevertheless, if you are looking for high-quality footage from a compact dash cam, the 67W is a great choice. The best all-rounder is the Nextbase 522GW. The 522GW is considered the best all-round dash cam due to its high-quality 2K resolution and wide-angle lens that performs the basics well and includes extra features. The 3-inch touchscreen on the back is responsive, and there is Alexa functionality available for playing music, making calls, and listening to audiobooks via connected devices. However, the dash cam skill needs improvement, and the Alexa feature is not used frequently. Nevertheless, the user experience is straightforward, with videos easily shared to a smart device through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. In the event of an accident, an emergency SOS system will alert emergency services of your location and other details if you are unresponsive. The best for ease of use with a large touchscreen is the Thinkware X1000. Thinkware's X1000 is both capable and user-friendly, providing front and rear recording with all necessary components included. Our test revealed many positive aspects of the X1000, including its large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface that makes it easy to use and configure without a partner app. Both cameras feature a 2K resolution and a wide 156-degree field of view, producing impressive footage with ample detail and dynamic range even in low light conditions. However, to access all features, including parking surveillance, hardwiring is necessary, which requires some care but is manageable for beginners. Cloud backups are not available through Wi-Fi, and separate accessories are required for GPS and radar detection. Overall, the X1000 is an excellent option for those seeking a hassle-free and dependable dash cam. The best for its inconspicuous design is the Vantrue E1. The Vantrue E1 is an attractive and compact dash cam with a sleek design that records 2.5K video at 30 FPS and Full HD footage at 60 FPS for additional detail while driving. The results are sharp with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light, and our testing revealed that the optional polarizing filter reduces dashboard reflections. The magnetic mount works well, but its lack of sideways adjustment limits its use if it cannot be fitted centrally. However, the 160-degree angle captures a wide view of paths ahead, and the tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a convenient preview during installation. The smartphone app is more useful for adjusting settings. Driver assistance is not included, but the E1 has GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and remote for wirelessly saving footage, making it a solid choice for a dash cam. The best for high mileage drivers is the Nexar Pro. The Nexar Pro is a dual camera solution designed for those who spend extended periods behind the wheel and can record video both inside and outside the vehicle using two separate camera units connected by a cable. Although it takes up a fair bit of screen real estate, the setup is pretty neat. The Nexar app is at the heart of the twin camera experience, allowing you to adjust settings, create incident reports, and backup recorded clips to the cloud with free cloud storage included. Additionally, it provides useful tools such as break-in alerts and GPS data logging. Despite not recording in 4K, the 1080p video is perfectly acceptable, and the external camera performs well in challenging shooting situations such as heavy rain or bright sunshine. While there are cheaper dash cams with fewer features, the Nexar Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value for those who prioritize the security of their vehicle in their daily life. The best budget dash cam is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is a small dash cam that can be easily hidden behind the car's rear view mirror but still delivers full HD video with HDR, reliable voice control, a decent smartphone app, and a simple magnetic mounting system. The installation process is similar to the other Garmin dash cam products and can be completed within a few minutes using the Garmin Drive smartphone app, iOS, and Android. The mounting system is simple yet effective, with a ball and socket joint for adjusting the camera angle and a coin-sized magnet that keeps the dashcam securely in place on the windshield. Despite its small size, the video quality is good, recording in Full HD at 30 FPS with HDR and producing clear footage that can pick up important details such as license plates in any lighting or weather conditions. While the 140-degree field of view is not the widest on the market, it still provides a good view of the road ahead. The dashcam features a button for quickly saving a portion of the video or relies on the G sensor to automatically quickly detect collisions. The voice controls work well for functions such as taking a photo or turning audio recording on and off. As the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is compact, it does not have a display and the smartphone app must be used to view the camera's perspective and access recordings. Although it lacks GPS, it is a minor downside and the dashcam is an excellent choice for those who do not require driver's assistant features such as speed camera alerts. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is simple, reliable and easy to use, making it the perfect set and forget technology. And the best dashcam overall is the Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a new landing dashcam that has demonstrated its superiority as the best dashcam currently available. In our test, it provided significantly improved video quality and better stabilization, as well as the inclusion of geolocation services which can pinpoint the location of damaged vehicles within a 3-meter radius. When shooting in 4K 30fps, the resulting footage was almost cinematic, with highly defined and detailed visuals even in low-light environments. This makes it easier to identify registration numbers or other hard-to-see aspects of an accident. The front of the camera has a built-in polarizing filter that can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, and digital image stabilization is another first for the dashcam market, which aids in smoothing out bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Like its 522GW counterpart, this model can be controlled using Alexa skills, but it requires the accompanying smartphone app to function, which we did not find to be the best app we have used. Despite having new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, we found that it still had difficulty connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. Fortunately, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is clear, crisp and user-friendly. Additionally, the What 3-word feature complements Nextbase Emergency SOS feature, which comes with a free 1-year subscription with this dashcam. Alright, that's all for today's video guys. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more videos like this.